Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video today, we'll go over the quick entry section inside the accounts module. Quick entry is a shortcut dashboard used to enter or review daily store activities without opening each module separately. It brings many important daily entries into one place, such as price book updates, payouts, fuel, lottery, ATM, cash in and out, deposits, check cashing, rebates, income, and tax. To begin, open the Accounts menu and select Quick Entry, or you can search it on the Smart Search instead. At the top, you will see the selected date. Quick Entry works based on the date shown here. If you need to enter or review information for a different business day, use the left and right arrows or click the date to select the correct day from the calendar. Once a date is selected, the page will show different quick entry tiles. The price book section includes options such as quick price change, product, and send to POS. This helps you quickly review product related activity and pending POS updates. The payout section includes purchase, expense, petty cash, and transaction settlement. These are used to quickly enter or review payout related activity. The fuel section, this includes gas loads, gas purchases, and gas batches. The lottery section includes the new lottery, daily scan, lottery active, lottery returns, and lotto. And just like that, many of these tiles shows more options within them. Each tile shows the current amount or count for the selected day. Clicking a tile opens the related entry window, so you can quickly add or review the specific item. At the top right, you may see recommended expenses. These are suggested expenses that the system finds from previous activities or pending daily entries. Click the option to review the list. Select the expenses you want to add, choose a bank if needed, adjust the amount or note, and then click Save. There is also an Upload Document button. This can be used to upload supporting documents such as receipts, license, employee documents, paperwork, and other files that need to be stored in the back office. You can also use Switch to Daily Book option. This allows you to move from the quick entry view to the daily book view. When you need to review or manage the full daily book details, you could access that. Quick entry is useful because it gives you one central place to quickly update daily activity instead of going into each individual module. And that's how you use the quick entry section inside the accounts module. That's all from me today. I'll see you guys in our next video.